remote and hybrid working is now the norm, but a safe and healthy workspace is essential. Whether working from home, a cafe, or a co-working space, the management of health and safety at work regulations, MABs, still apply. Employers must ensure their employees have a safe working environment, and employees must take steps to protect their health and well-being. What is MABs? The Management of Health and Safety at Work Regulations, MHSWR, require employers to assess risks, provide guidance, and ensure workers have a safe and healthy environment. This includes both physical and mental well-being. Employers must assess risks for remote and hybrid workers, offer necessary support, and promote safe working practices. Employees must take responsibility for their workspace, report any concerns, and follow best practices for maintaining health and safety. Workstation setup. A poor workstation setup can cause back pain, wrist strain, and long-term discomfort. What employees should do? 1. Use a proper chair and desk. 2. Ensure the screen is at eye level to avoid neck strain. 3. Keep the keyboard and mouse at a comfortable height to reduce wrist pain. 4. Take regular breaks to stretch and adjust posture. What managers should do? 1. Provide ergonomic guidance and equipment where possible. 2. Encourage employees to check and adjust their workstation setup regularly. Reducing screen fatigue and eye strain. Staring at screens for extended periods can cause headaches, dry eyes, and fatigue. What employees should do? 1. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. 2. Adjust screen brightness to match the lighting in the room. 3. Use blue light filters or glasses if experiencing strain. What managers should do? 1. Encourage teams to take breaks away from the screen. 2. Be mindful of scheduling back-to-back virtual meetings. Movement and posture. Sitting for long hours leads to stiffness, poor circulation, and back pain. What employees should do? 1. Stand up and stretch every 30 to 60 minutes. 2. Take walking calls or do simple exercises at the desk. 3. Use a standing desk or alternate between sitting and standing where possible. What managers should do? 1. Remind staff to schedule movement breaks. 2. Encourage a balance between productivity and well-being. Avoiding isolation and loneliness. Remote work can lead to reduced social interaction, impacting well-being. What employees should do? 1. Schedule regular virtual or in-person check-ins with colleagues. 2. Join team chats and engage in social conversations. 3. Arrange video calls rather than relying on email or messaging alone. What managers should do? 1. Organize team check-ins and virtual social sessions. 2. Encourage open communication and informal chats among colleagues. Setting boundaries to prevent burnout. Without clear boundaries, work-life balance suffers, leading to stress and exhaustion. What employees should do? 1. Set clear start and finish times. 2. Take proper breaks, including lunch away from the desk. 3. Turn off work notifications outside of working hours. What managers should do? 1. Respect employees' working hours and avoid after-hours communication. 2. Promote a culture where taking breaks is encouraged. Seeking support. Many employees feel unsure where to turn when they need help. What employees should do? 1. Speak to their manager if feeling overwhelmed. 2. Use workplace mental health resources. 3. Check if their employer has mental health first aiders. What managers should do? 1. Ensure employees know where to access mental health support. 2. Create a culture where staff feel comfortable discussing concerns. A healthy and safe remote workforce is a productive and happy one. Employers and employees must work together to ensure both physical and mental well-being. Small changes to workspace setup, movement, screen use, and communication can make a significant difference. Managers and team leads should check in with employees regularly and ask, is your workspace working for you? Taking action today can create a healthier, safer, and more productive remote working environment.